That's just how we roll. You know what it is, what it is. How we roll. You know what it is, what it is. That's just how we roll.
In today's video, I will be giving a room tour of the Embassy Suites in Ayrsley, Charlotte, North Carolina. We did get the king 2-bedroom suite. The suite did come with a separate area with a sink, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a coffee maker. In here we have a nice desk area, good for working. And beside the desk area, we have the living room area. This does include a sofa bed and a good sized TV. And here is a quick view of the hotel. And here we have the separate king bedroom area. The bedroom did include a closet with plenty of space and hangers, an iron, and an iron board. The bathroom area was nice and updated and very spacious. I did like how they had the toilet and the shower separately from the sink area. They do serve a hot breakfast buffet from 7 to 10:30 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. This is the sitting area next to the bar leading up to the pool and the fitness room. Here we have the bar area. They do offer a free reception with 2 free drinks and snacks included in your stay. Reception hours are from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.